Got an AU audio file from Unix systems or scientific work? This is a classic Sun NeXT audio format used widely in academic and Unix environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play these Sun NeXT audio files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the AU format fails. More on this later. The .au file extension represents a simple audio format originally developed by Sun Microsystems for Unix-based systems and later used in Java. Users encountering this file are typically dealing with older sound files or audio from legacy systems, seeking to play or convert them to modern formats like MP3 or WAV. The .au format is a header-based binary file, typically containing uncompressed PCM or compressed ULAW, ALAW encoded audio data. Its simple structure, consisting of a small header defining the encoding, sample rate, and channels, followed by the raw audio data, made it robust and easy to parse on early computing platforms. The reference software for validating AU integrity is VLC Media Player from Videoland Project. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows can open and play these files, but precise waveform editing requires specialized tools. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your AU file and choose Open With. Test VLC Media Player first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. When your AU file does not open, it is usually a small issue. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, playing it in VLC Media Player. Open AU files in VLC Media Player, which provides reliable AU playback across Windows, macOS, and Linux. Drag the file into VLC or use Media, then open file to load. VLC handles all common AU encodings, including MLAW PCM and 80PCM, providing universal AU file playback without additional codec installation. Next, using Audacity for editing. Import AU files into Audacity, the free audio editor, through File, then Import, then Audio. Audacity decodes AU files, providing waveform visualization and full audio editing capabilities. Edit, cut, and process audio, then export to modern formats like MP3, WAV, or FLAC for current audio workflows. Finally, converting with FFmpeg. Convert AU files to modern formats using FFmpeg, the powerful media converter. Run ffmpeg input.au, output MP3 to convert to MP3, or use other format extensions for different conversions. FFmpeg handles AU encoding variants, reliably producing standard format files compatible with all current audio applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.